It. Hi, go for yourself. Okay, I'm going to show you how to feed your sourdough discard that has been sitting in the refrigerator. This is Lorelei, okay, but we're going to feed her. When you feed her, that means it's time to make bread, that you want to make bread that day, or your loaf, because you won't be baking it today. So, first you need a jar. You need your discard. This is called hooch. That's totally okay to have. Filtered water, bread flour. I use King Arthur's. Okay, so first you're gonna put your scale. You're gonna zero it out, make sure it's in grams, okay? I'm gonna start with, it doesn't really matter how much you do, it just has to be equal amounts. My kids are crazy, but that's okay.
What are you doing?
I'm teaching people how to make sourdough.
Sourdough bread.
So I'm gonna do a little bit more because I wanna.
Dad.
Oops.
Daddy.
Hold on, Asher, we're recording. Get your hand out of your pants. All right, I'm gonna do 86. Why? It doesn't matter. You can, as long as it's equal amounts. All right, so 86 grams. Zero it out. Now I'm gonna do 86 grams of water. Okay, it's a little over. That is okay. You can siphon some out, but really it doesn't matter that much. Happens to the best of us. Really? Close enough. All right, zero it out. It doesn't have to be always perfect. Close is just as good. Now 86 grams of bread flour. Make sure you leave a nice mess so it drives your husband crazy. Everything wants to be 87 today. That's okay. All right. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Ow, Lorelei. Can you see it? You want to make sure it's nice mixed together.
Dad, I need to write down.
Hold on. See, if I can make sourdough with my children, anyone can.
Mom, you want to wear my earring?
Okay, hold on. All right, so now that it's all mixed together, you're gonna take your rubber band at the level that you started, put the lid on, okay? You can set it on the counter. I have an incubator from Sour House because I am bougie, I guess. But yeah, and then once she doubles in size, I'll show you what to do next.